afternoon on ET Now. I'm Srishti Sharma and with me is Mansi Dave. And over the course of next 1 hour, we'll be talking to experts to try to decode your strategy for the markets, and we'll also put the spotlight on the SME segment in detail. All this in a while, but before that, let's have a quick look what the markets are up to. So Mansi, yes, of course, the global uncertainty does prevail, but the Indian markets are seeing mild recovery from the day's lowest point.
Well, Shrishti, good afternoon. The markets have already, Indian markets in particular, have shown their signs of positivity, and we have seen no matter how the global concerns been, there have been cases and sessions where the Indian markets have outperformed completely opposite of what the global markets are doing, and that's one such session, at least for the broader markets today. However, if we talk about the construct of the market, it's too much volatile, tilted towards downside owing to geopolitical scenarios, the Israel-Iran tensions constantly escalating, and now bigger economies like the US, China as well as Russia also posing set of actions and reactions on every happening. Not to forget, keep an eye on the crude oil prices, because that is the commodity which is the most impacted because of the and due to all the geopolitical concerns. Talking levels, Nifty and Bank Nifty both did open in red at 25,000 and 56,000 respectively, and if current levels we have a look at the Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. At present, 24,937 is what Nifty is trading, with a plunge of around 174 points, and Bank Nifty is trading at 55,869 with a downtrend of around 400 points. Talking broader markets, the broader markets clearly, Shrishti, are showing signs of recovery at present.
Well, yes, Mansi, indeed, the broader markets is a bit of a surprise coming in, and indeed a lot of movers as well, because it's BEL which is taking it from the front, almost a 2.5% gain coming in on this particular counter on the back of a new order inflow. Trent is actually making a very smart comeback, rather, almost a 3% jump on this particular stock, and select Adani group of counters are also doing well. Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports, they are also holding on to that shade of green. What's not doing well is indeed the IT pack. After that, Accenture numbers coming in, though there was an upgrade in the guidance, but nothing exciting over there, because Accenture too was actually down 7%, and Infosys, HCL Tech, TechM, these are the counters that are being the laggards. The defenses, case in point being HUL, that is down almost 1.5%, and Hero MotoCorp, after that 2 to 3% fall on Friday, is continuing its downfall, almost a 1.5% of cut coming in over them. So indeed, the markets are showing some signs of recovery, and the broader markets are participating too. But amidst this, what should your strategy be like? Let's try to decode that with Rajesh Bhosale, who is the technical analyst of Angel One, joining us on the show right now. Hi Rajesh, morning, good to be speaking with you. Yes, the geopolitical tensions persist, but Nifty is actually holding on to that level of 24,900 mark. What do you make out of it?
Hi, good afternoon. So if we see markets are trading cautiously, but as compared to the news, we are showing relative strength. In fact, since last week, market is holding on to 24,700. And in fact, if we see mid-cap space, so Nifty mid-cap space is already trading around its Friday's high. So yes, market is trading on a cautious note, but stock-specific actions are being witnessed. So as long 24,700 holds, one should maintain positive bias. And on the high side, 25,000 would be the one key level. And once that is reached, we would probably move towards the 25,200 levels.
Clearly, 25,000 being the key level, and once we see that level, 25,200 is the next level on an optimistic, positive note, which one can watch out. But Rajesh, good afternoon, Mansi this side. Talking levels and understanding indices at this point, if we see the broader markets are already recovering, what are the stock-specific recommendations which you have, and what are the stocks as well as sectors on your radar?
So my first buy call is on Glenmark Pharma. So if we see pharma space has been underperforming, but Glenmark Pharma has stood out. In fact, if we see from the June lows, the stock has moved from the levels of 1350 to somewhere around 1630, 1650 levels. So bias is positive. In fact, on the daily chart, we are seeing a continuation pattern breakout, and also its Jan swing high is taken out. So we have a strong bias on Glenmark Pharma for outperformance. Somewhere trading around 1700 can be bought with a 1640 as a stop loss, and the near-term target would be 1795. My second buy call is also on one outperformer, It's on Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel is continuously moving in a higher top, higher bottom formation. And after last 1 month of consolidation, we are seeing that May swing high has been taken out. So Bharti Airtel as well looks strong. With a stop loss of 1917 can be bought. The near-term target that we are expecting is of 2000 levels.
So those are the buy calls coming in from Rajesh. With this, we let you go on that, Rajesh. Thank you so much for taking the time out and speaking.